Hi everybody, this is our daily agenda for April 19th, Monday. So for today, we are opening up with a new unit. What is a digital portfolio and how can I use it to showcase my learning? You guys are going to be doing typing club and you're working on your digital portfolios for today. So for today, we looked at what are digital portfolios? A digital portfolio, it's a virtual collection of all of your projects over time. So for us, it's going to be this semester. It showcases whatever you've learned in this past year, and it's a great way to show your growth personally, academically, and just reflecting over the past year. Why use this digital portfolio? Well, over this past semester, you've all created fantastic projects, and it's a great way to show them all your projects and your hard work. We are going to be using our digital portfolios in this class to reflect on everything you've done in Exploratory, think about your growth and your skills, and showcase them for open house, ladies and gentlemen. They're going to be amazing. You guys just did a podcast, your Enneagram projects. You guys have done amazing digital work. So we want to show them off. We had a Jamboard on this day as well, just reflecting on what assignments have we done this year? What was our favorite assignment? What was our least favorite assignment? And academically, what did we learn this year? What was that big skill that we learned? So we're going to kind of carry that forward and continue that conversation over the next couple days. So starting on our digital portfolios, reminder, your portfolios are on Google Classroom now. There are the directions and the checklist that are all included. We will be talking about it next meeting, more on how to input our assignments. These are the assignments you will be putting in your Google Slides challenge, your 30-day writing challenge, your name tent, sorry about that folks, activity. So I'm going to just write that in. Your digital vision board, your SMART goal template, your gratitude scavenger hunt, your final podcast, your Enneagram, and a final reflection. It sounds like a lot, ladies and gentlemen, but most of you have completed these assignments, so it's just going to be a snap and a breeze to get them in. For our exit ticket for today, this kind of went with our Jamboard. What was your favorite project this semester? What did you really like working on and why? So just kind of looking at that. As always, ladies and gentlemen, if you have any questions or need more information, please feel free to reach out to me or Ms. Arroyo and we'll help you out. Other than that, I'll see you guys in class.